In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft To Do how to use the My Day list. Let's start by opening Microsoft To Do. You can use the web app in your browser or the desktop or mobile app, whatever you prefer. Once you're in, give the app a moment to load your workspace so everything is up to date. Now, look over to the left navigation pane and choose My Day. This is your focused view for the day, a clean, uncluttered space where you can spotlight only what needs your attention right now. Think of it as your daily dashboard. It doesn't replace your other lists. It simply shines a light on the tasks you want to work on today, helping you ignore the noise and stay on track. To add something new to today's plan, click the plus, add a task option. You'll see it at the top or the bottom of the list, so use whichever is handy. Type a clear, action-oriented title, something like email project update or review budget notes, then confirm to save it. Short, specific phrasing makes it easier to scan your list and move quickly from one task to the next. If an idea pops into your head while you're working, just add it the same way so it doesn't slip through the cracks. Here's an important detail. Anything you add in My Day is automatically saved to your general tasks list as well. That means you're never creating orphaned items that live only in one place. Edit a task here and it's updated there too. Complete it in My Day and it's completed in your broader task collection. You get the focus of a daily list without losing the long-term organization of your main lists. You can also bring existing tasks from other lists into your daily view. When you're browsing another list and find something you want to tackle today, right-click the task and select Add to My Day. That places it into your My Day list while it remains safely in its original home. It's a great way to curate your today-only lineup from projects, plans, and reminders you've already captured. If you decide a task isn't for today after all, simply remove it from My Day. The original task stays intact, so nothing is lost. By opening Microsoft To Do, selecting My Day, adding the tasks that matter, and pulling in the right items from other lists, you'll build a realistic, focused plan for the day. Keep the list manageable, name tasks clearly, and enjoy the momentum that comes from checking things off in a dedicated, distraction reducing space.